I'm Peter, a sales coordinator at ClearVoice, and I'll be explaining how to use our on-demand interpreting app. Firstly, you need to download our app to your smartphone. It is available on both Apple and Android through the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. When you launch the app for the first time, you will be shown a brief tutorial. This explains that the first thing you need to do is register in the app. So let's tap register and enter your details. We will have provided you with your site access code and your site PIN that you will need. Once registered, you will be shown a login screen where you will need to re-enter your site PIN. You will then be shown a list of languages. This lets you select your most used languages for quick access. Press OK and we reach the home screen. From here, you will be able to dial an interpreter from any of your selected languages. Just tap on a language and then tap Dial Interpreter. You will be connected to an interpreter as soon as possible. On average, our wait times are less than 40 seconds. If you need to add or remove languages from your home screen, just tap Languages and you can edit your favourites. If you ever have any questions about the app or need assistance, please contact your account coordinator or email us at info@clearvoice.org.uk so we can be of assistance.